Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by clicking on Recorder app and selecting Allow in the pop-ups. Following that, before starting recording, click on this gear at the top right corner. Then tap on Recording File Format and click on the best one for you. When you finished, go back and tap on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. In order to pause it or unpause it, select the same middle button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on this flag on the left. And to end it and save it, tap on the check mark on the right. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. In order to rename it, you need to hold it. Then choose Rename at the bottom and type in wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save in the pop-up. Now, to delete your recording, you can always hold it. But this time select Delete icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!